Welcome to a concise overview to help guide your buying decision. Based on specifications and aggregated user feedback, these cordless handheld vacuums show strong suction and versatile cleaning for quick tasks. Key benefits include lightweight builds, cordless convenience, and easy emptying. Considerations involve battery runtime and filtration levels. Performance varies by model and surface. Check current pricing and availability where offers may change. This balanced summary is worth considering if you prioritize portability and quick cleanups, and it offers great value as part of your research. Number 5. This option presents a focused cordless solution for pet owners handling daily debris. Based on listed specifications, it delivers notable suction capability aimed at lifting embedded fur from carpet and upholstery. The compact form factor and lightweight construction support easy handling during quick tasks. Reach and surface access appear strong, helping extend cleaning zones without cord repositioning. Flexible USB charging adds convenience, though runtime will vary with power mode and floor type. Build quality suggests a stable, travel-ready device suitable for multi-room use. Minor limitations may include noise level and bin emptying technique. Overall, performance claims align well with portable lifestyle needs. For viewers seeking a dedicated pet hair tool, this system is worth considering as a practical addition to home maintenance. Number 4. Focusing on product 4, this system positions itself as a powerful, flexible cleaning companion. Based on specifications, it delivers exceptional suction with a 26,000 pascals rating, supported by an 110,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor designed to lift stubborn debris like pet hair and crumbs efficiently. The unit features a one-touch dust emptying mechanism and a versatile 4-in-1 accessory system, aiming to simplify tasks across different surfaces. Runtime flexibility is offered via USB-C charging options. While user feedback often highlights its strong performance and convenience, potential buyers should be aware that power consumption and filter maintenance are common considerations for high-suction devices. This model offers great value for those seeking robust suction, making it worth considering for your cleaning routine, keeping in mind that prices and stock are subject to change. Number 3. Based on specifications and user feedback, this portable option presents as a capable 2-in-1 solution. The system features a high-performance 18,000 PA motor, rated at 130 watts and speeds up to 115,000 revolutions per minute, delivering strong suction for common debris. It functions effectively as both a vacuum and an air duster, allowing for versatile cleaning and inflation tasks. The lightweight, cordless design enhances portability across a car or room, while multiple nozzles support targeted cleaning. A quiet brushless motor and integrated LED light aid visibility and reduce noise in home or office settings. Performance on deep upholstery varies, and battery duration depends on usage mode. Overall, it offers great value for quick cleanups, making this device worth considering for users seeking a compact, dual-function cleaner. Number 2. Transitioning to the next model, designed as a cordless handheld unit focused on portability. According to product data, this device is engineered to lift stubborn pet hair from common surfaces. Testing reports indicate it offers strong suction, supported by a build that emphasizes easy handling in tight spaces. The cordless design may support quick cleanups throughout the home, which offers great value for many households. A notable advantage is its focus on maneuverability, allowing users to reach into corners and under furniture with relative ease. This model also aligns with a social initiative, where purchases may support a good cause. Potential buyers should note factors like battery runtime and bin access, which are worth considering to ensure it fits cleaning routines. Number 1. This Black+Decker cordless gadget is perfect for quick touch-ups and spot cleaning around the house. It's super handy. You can move freely between rooms or even in the car without worrying about a cord. There's a little LED light that helps you spot dust and crumbs in darker or messy areas, and the whole thing is lightweight and easy to hold for quick cleanups. Just keep in mind it's not meant for a full house sweep. The runtime and suction will depend on the setting, and the dustbin is best for small jobs. For quick, targeted messes, though, it's a great little tool and a solid value.